My mother's going to be bringing me to the court date. She's not going to even let me try to do nothing. I'm believe me, I don't play around with my mama. I got a white mama. She don't play around with me.
Did you say you have a white mom?
Yes.
And so somehow that is something different than how she parents?
No, I wouldn't say it was something different than how they parent. I just know how she is personally. And I was just kind of giving you a background of who she was, mixed child. My full name is Aaron. My full name's Duggar Barnett. Hyphenated 2 last names.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and counsel, today is the time for arraignment as your client is in custody.
Yes, Your Honor. My client waives formal reading, stands mute for charges.
All right, the court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment. Schedule this matter for pretrial on October 29th.
11:15.
At 11:15 a.m. And counsel as to bond.
Yes, Mr. Duggar Barnett advises that he has never failed to appear for any required court appearance. He does disclose he is currently on probation on a matter from 2024 of Wayne County Circuit Court, Third Circuit, that is. And I believe he's in compliance otherwise than the particular matter here. He is in compliance with his probation. I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, Mr. Duggar Barnett. He is doing the same occupation last 15 years. He has an LLC where he essentially is a contractor, but he's at the same residence in Wayne Road in Livonia. The address in the files is accurate. And he's been there for 10 years. He lives with family members. He supports 2 children, ages 8 and 10. And there's another young one in the home that he has some responsibility for. I think it's an infant child and a niece or nephew. He may be able to explain that. He advised me that he takes this matter extremely seriously. He will do whatever the court requires of him, and he will appear. He has requested a personal bond today.
Sir, what are you on probation for?
I had got caught with a pistol in Melvindale. It was not a stolen pistol. It was a friend's gun that he left with me at my house.
Sir, excuse me. I just asked what you're on probation for. I didn't ask for a recitation of the facts. What charges are you on probation for?
For felon in possession of a firearm.
Okay. And what you have a matter from Lincoln Park from last Thursday. What's that?
So I had an ex-girlfriend call the police on me to my shop on Southwood Road in Lincoln Park. She said she just wanted to leave in March.
Excuse me, sir. Again,
I'm sorry.
I don't need a recitation of the facts. I'm just asking if you were charged with anything, if you were arraigned. That's just what I'm asking for, sir.
I'm sorry about that, Your Honor.
So
All I had is a simple assault, and the prosecutor picked it up in July. The incident happened in March.
Wait, what about July?
So the prosecutor picked the case up in July for some reason, and March is when the incident happened. So I was never able to take care of it or anything. They put a warrant out for me. It violated my probation. I went to the county and I got it all cleared up. I have bond receipts from there. That's why I'm asking very nicely for a personal bond, and I understand that that's that would be a blessing. I work really hard. I take care of my family. That's all I'm trying to do.
So I'm not suggesting you don't, sir. I'm not suggesting you don't work really hard. The concern this court has is that you have prior convictions for the exact same charge that you are charged with now. You're currently on probation, and then you have a pending matter also that you were just in court for on Thursday. And now here you are in this court. And you don't even live in the area, sir.
So my sister is residing on Cedar Street, like literally across the street from the jail. That's that's my niece's mother. She's just had given birth. She's back doing chemo now for stage 4 cancer. She is debilitated. She cannot take care of herself. So me and my mother is the only people that she has, and we've been in and out, taking turns. And I've been trying to do the most because my mother's a 2-time breast cancer survivor and a colon cancer survivor. And Your Honor, I promise you, my mother's they impounded my truck. My mother's gonna be bringing me to the court date. She's not gonna even let me try to do nothing. Believe me, I don't play around with my mama. I got a white mama. She don't play around with me.
Did you say you have a white mom?
Yes.
And so somehow that is something different in how she parents?
No, I wouldn't say it was something different than how they parent. I just know how she is personally. And I was just kind of giving you a background of who she was, mixed child. But I promise you, I'll be here at any court date you give me. I have a court date every day for the next month. I'll be here.
Well, sir, the court has to evaluate the safety of the public as well. And given that you are currently on probation, and now here you are with 2 charges within a week, this court is not inclined to offer you a personal bond. The court's going to order a $7,500 10% bond.
Please, Your Honor. Your Honor, my mom doesn't have that.
In the event that you co-sponsor, you're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs that are not prescribed.
Oh, no.
So your charges are fairly serious. It indicates that you had in your possession fentanyl, and which the court has concerns about, especially if you are helping taking care of your sister who has a terminal illness, and the court's unsure if perhaps that's one of the medications that she's prescribed. I don't know. But the fact that you would have additional access to that, the court has some concerns with that. Also, the court is unsure if the court's unsure of some of your story as well, sir. So the court's going to order $7,500 10% bond as to count A, $3,500 personal bond on counts B and C.
So,
Well, actually on count B.
Your Honor, may I please say something?
What's that, sir?
Something my sister cleaned out. My truck was full of things. I had.
No, sir, I hear you talking about the facts of this case. Not a good idea, and your attorney is going to interject at any moment. I'm certain that you should not be speaking about the facts of the case. So we'll see you back on October 29th at 11:15 a.m. Thank you.
Can I have the total of what my bond would be that my mom would have to come up here with, so I can at least call her and give her that information, see if she's.
$750, sir.
Oh, wow. Oh, she's gonna kill me. Thank you, Your Honor. Oh.
Are they gonna give me good news when I call them out and they're gonna tell me that you've done what I asked you to do? Or are they gonna tell me that you haven't done it all of what I asked you to do?
I've got a big dump by the garage. I'm ready to go.
Ready to go. What do you mean?
Get my permit, there tomorrow.
Mr. Boyd? You're not gonna make me put you in jail again, are you?
I hope not.
Well,
I
come
can't get
on,
it done from there.
Mr. Boyd. I can't wait to hear what they're going to tell me. I've been waiting for bated breath since my recorder told me you were coming in here today. Yesterday, she told me that, oh boy, what has Mr. Boyd done? Or more importantly, what has he not done? Has he done anything? All right, I'll give you a lawyer if you want one. If you want a lawyer, I'm going to give you one right now. Do you want a lawyer?
No, thank you.
Your name?
Caitlin Foley Carter from Brunswick Township.
Your name?
Dr. Someday up Toronto.
What are you going to tell me? Tell me it's all cleaned up. Tell me it looks like the Taj Mahal. Tell me we'd all want to move in there.
The only progress is that he's gotten a dumpster this week delivered to the site. Nothing inside of the dumpster that I admit that the garage is still.
Oh, Mr. Boyd, you're killing me. You're killing me.
I was waiting till I come in today before putting anything in the dumpster. But
Why?
if you send me to jail for 85 days, I'm gonna send the dumpster back. I can't have it sit there.
Why are you being a wise guy with me?
I'm not, sir. I'm just telling you the truth.
I don't know what to do with it. Short of sending him for 85 days. He's gonna be in there for Christmas. How old are you again?
Part
How old are you again?
78, the 27th of this month.
Well, we share a birthday. Just, you have a couple years on.
Yes, sir.
What am I gonna do?
Your Honor, I don't know what to do. We did have an opportunity this morning to speak to Mr. Boyd. He told us just about the same, that he hasn't done a whole lot since last time we were here. He hasn't obtained a demolition permit to take down that garage, so
He has or hasn't?
So he made no progress towards doing at least that very first goal. I do have a picture that Mr. Harris took yesterday showing the front of the property that still has the trailer, the boat, the vehicles, what have you.
I don't know why you're making me do this. I don't know why you're making me do this, Mr. Boyd.
I put the boat out in front.
Mr. Boyd, I don't know why you're making me do this. I do not know why you are pushing me to the point that you leave me no choice. I don't understand why you're doing this. I really don't understand it.
I do work slow. I'm 78, you know.
You haven't done anything.
I have. I've done a lot. I've moved a lot of stuff. I had to throw away what I didn't want.
What did you move? What did you move? When did you move it? I don't know that you've done anything.
You wouldn't see it because I put it away.
Can you guys give me something positive here?
Try to start with the positive that he got the dumpster. He has not pulled, nothing meant the boat that is for sale, there's not a for sale sign on it. I mean, at least put a for sale sign on it if you're gonna park it in front of yours. Cause he's moved the boat when you were there, it was in the back.
Right.
He moved it to the street.
Nice.
Makes it look worse, but he says it's for sale, but there's not even a for sale sign on it.
How's somebody supposed to be a mind reader? See a boat out there and they think it's for sale without a sign? Don't have anything to be for sale if there's not a for sale sign.
My son promised me that he was gonna put a sign on it. He's half owner in the boat.
I don't know what to do. Do you have any ordinance that allows you guys to go in there and clean it up and put it on his tax rolls?
Short of abating the nuisance civil court, we don't have that.
Short of a what?
Abate the nuisance civil act.
In circuit court. I know, but maybe that's the route you need to go.
I was hopeful that this would have put Mr. Boyd on notice, and I understand that doing some time maybe would have jump-started the progress, but unfortunately.
I don't know.
Give me a chance to start tearing it down.
I don't know, Mr. Boyd.
Got a
Come on.
nice big dump box here.
How long's it been going on, this case, Miss Foley Carter?
Based on the register of actions, he's had ordinance violations dating back to 2011.
2011, we were young then. You were young, I was young.
This citation was issued back.
That's 14 years ago. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
Sorry, Judge. This citation was issued back in April. Prior to that, he had the civil infraction citation for the same thing.
So you've done nothing. You've done nothing. When were you last in court? Mr. Boyd, I feel horrible. You are a pleasant, likable man. But you are not complying with orders. That's a dangerous building.
Yes, sir.
Forget the blight. It's just flat out dangerous over there. And I can't get you to do anything. I usually would like to think I'm more successful at causing people to understand that they have to do something, and I don't know what to do with you. I really don't. I don't know what I can do. When were you last here? A month ago?
something like that.
And you've done nothing but move the boat out without a for sale sign and order a dumpster that has nothing in it.
Well, my truck was in the shop for 3 weeks.
Well, good. Then if your truck was in the shop, then you had to be home and you had all kinds of time to do things. I don't know what else to do, guys. I just don't know what else to do. If I saw some effort.
Well, see how well I do with the dump.
New review hearing date in 4 weeks, Lisa.
November 19th at 8:30.
November 19th at 8:30. When I go home tonight, I'm gonna feel horrible. But I have to give you another 5 days. I'm setting another review hearing date on November 19th at 8:30.
That doesn't give me.
Mr. Boyd. It's just this the way it's gonna go until you take care of the property. You think I feel good about this? I'm not gonna argue with you.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna argue with you. You're just defiant. I don't know what is going on with you. But I can't allow this to go on. I just can't. This is nothing I want to do. Zero interest in doing what I'm doing right now. None. I'll go home and think about this tonight. Like, what could I have said to Mr. Boyd on the multiple other occasions that he appeared in front of me that might have compelled him to do something?
I feel I have done things.
Mr. Boyd? I'm sorry. Have a seat. I feel horrible. You make me do things I don't want to do. Have a seat over there, sir.